Today we're going to look at navigating the JutaStat Evolve system with specific reference to navigating the Sheriff's Guide. The first point of departure is to enter into your browser the web page to log in. The quickest, simplest way is to type in myjuta.co.za. Press enter. This will drop you into the login screen. Type in your username and password. Once logged in, it'll drop you into the product access window. At the product access window stage, click onto Sheriff's Guide, or as I will click today, Evolve Comprehensive. This loads you into the JutaStat Evolve research platform. So very quickly, from in the top left-hand side of the right-hand side of the screen is your sign out button, and in the center is a search field. Today we're going directly to the commentaries. And in the commentaries on the top left-hand side, we're going to type in the word sheriff. So this will just give us a quick link to the South African Sheriff's Guide. Click on it, then click apply in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. This will now drop you into the Sheriff's Guide or put the Sheriff's Guide into the main screen. You have the option to bookmark the Sheriff's Guide. And this simply means that in future you can go directly to the bookmarks and open your Sheriff's Guide. Very good idea to bookmark it if you're going to access it often. So click onto the Sheriff's Guide, which opens up the guide. Down the left-hand side, you've got your table of contents. You do have the option to search for content in the top left-hand side within the Sheriff's Guide. So I could, for example, type in the word jurisdiction and press enter on my keyboard. Jurisdiction is spelled incorrectly, and then press enter. Okay, now it tells me there's 43 results that have been found, and I could now click next to the little arrow next to chapter 9, for example, and it now shows me throughout this chapter where the word jurisdiction has come up in this specific chapter of the guide. In the center of the screen, I can open up any of the documents. So the purpose behind arrests in RIM, click that link and it quickly drops me into that area of the document. I can highlight the text with my mouse and the system immediately gives me the option to copy the text, and I could then copy it over into a Word document or into an email or wherever I need it. I also have the option to make notes, so I could color the text in this example in orange, and make a note. Let's say the note refers to case 6, and I could save the note. Once the note is saved, it will live on the system until such time that I delete it. So whenever I come onto the system, I can be in the contents page. I could have no search that I've done at all, but when I click enrichments, it shows me I've highlighted a passage somewhere and I've made a note for case 6. So let's say I land on open up my Sheriff's Guide and I'm sitting on the author's note. I click enrichments, there's a highlight I've made, click on the highlighted text, and it jumps straight to the passage that I've highlighted. To remove the highlight, simply click next to the text and click delete, and it will remove that specific highlight. So navigating the Sheriff's Guide, very, very easy. You've got a table of contents. You can open up the commentary works. It gives you various chapters, and you can expand and open up into the chapters. How to lodge a complaint. Click onto that section, and it jumps straight to that specific area. To download any piece of information of the system, just click the download arrow in the top right-hand side, and it says download a PDF. Click OK, and there you go. You can now print this specific chapter, or you can click the download arrow and save it to the desired location on your computer. So that is a very quick workaround on using the JutaStat Evolve system, and then specifically navigating the Sheriff's Guide, bookmarking the Sheriff's Guide, and finding various content through using the search field in the top left. For all assistance, kindly contact Juta & Company, and we'll gladly take you through the system should you need further assistance.